Hey guys, today we're taking a deep dive into this automatic fish feeder. This is perfect if you are on vacation or if you're at work and those fish need to be fed. So as we're looking at the product, this is a tray that will actually sit on top of the tank, and this is the actual feeder itself. So this will sit in the tray. This is where the fish food will go. There is an adapter, so you can either feed your fish 0.2 grams or 0.6, just depending on your tank size and how many fish. And then you also have a camera, which is so nice. It actually just plugs into the base, and then this will stick onto the side of the tank so you can watch your fish on the app. The app is going to be really simple to set up. You simply scan the QR code and follow the steps. So let's install this and see how it works. Download the app. We'll just download that really fast. From here, we are going to add a device, and then the device should pop up on the bottom. Once you have your device connected to the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can give the device a name. So we are going to name it Fish. Complete. Next step. And now we have, it is actually in our kitchen. And yes, we want some alarms, and there you are. Super easy to install the app. So I have a 150-gallon fish tank, and we chose to actually just set it up on the glass. Just right here, we have a little fish feeding window. This little ball is the camera. All you have to do is you can drop food through the app, or you can simply just press the button and it will drop food into the tank. Overall, such a simple process to get an automatic fish feeder that links to your Wi-Fi, which is so nice when you're at work, on vacation, or just simply not home. Would highly recommend this. It works awesome. It's very discreet and small. You should check it out.